everyone! Welcome to another video. So today, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-file ng 1601C. So these are for those who have employee. So paano nga ba siya pina-file? So let's start. First, you have to put your TIN identification number, and then your RDO code, line of business, taxpayer's name, your registered address, zip code, telephone number, and your registered email address. So make sure yung email address nyo is nakaka-receive siya ng email kasi dito isi-send ni BIR yung notification or yung confirmation na na-receive na nila yung sinabit mo. Okay, and then for the list of BIR forms, so we have to look for 1601C. So, hanapin natin 1601C. So, hanapin natin yung new version. 1601C version 2018. And then, click fill up. Okay. And then dito, ang i-file natin, ang date ngayon is June, pero ang i-file natin is for the month of May. So usually, ang deadline nito is on or before 10th of the following month. And then, amended return, so kung mayroon kayong nagawa na before, and then kailangan yung baguhin or may kailangan kayong i-amend, i-click nyo yung yes. So kung this is your first time, wala pa kayong nagagawa, ito pa lang, no. And then, any taxes withheld, kung mayroon kayong babayaran, click yes. Kung wala, no. And then, for number 11, category of withholding agent, private ba or government. And then, for computation of tax, the total amount of compensation, so magkano yung salary nila. So, kung naka-minimum wage kayo, you need to put yung less non-taxable exempt compensation. So, para wala kayong babayaran. And then, validate nyo lang. Click validate. Save. And then, submit final copy. And then, may magpa-pop up dito na please ensure that you have internet access and a valid email address is indicated in your tax return. Okay. And then, EBIR Terms of Service Agreement. So, once nasubmit mo na siya, may magpo-pop up dito na Submit Successful. So, may marireceive kayo na email confirmation sa email nyo. Ayan, and then you're done. So, eto na, nakapag-file na tayo ng 1601C. So, make sure lang na mayroon kayong copy nito. Para in case na kailanganin mo siya, mayroon kayong maipipresent sa BIR. So, I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo. If you have question, you can comment down below. You can also share this video to other people na nagpa-file ng mga BIR taxes.